Good morning, students. I hope you all are good, right? So, today we are here again and we are going to recapitulate, or we can say revise, our chapter number 2, that is addition. Whatever we have done till now, today is the time to recapitulate it. Okay, children, so let's begin with the book exercise. Okay, open your page number 37 of your book and see this, the chapter revision, right? So in this there are many questions given. So out of these questions we have to do all questions, but we can do few questions in textbook only and few questions we have to do in notebook. Okay, children, so I am starting this revision exercise. Okay, let's begin. So children, here is our first question, that 18 plus 22 is same as dash. 18 plus 22 को अगर हम ऐड करते हैं then what do we get? Either we get 41 or we get 40 or we get 42 or 43. So for that we need to add. We have to do the addition. So here I have made a rough work column and then I am going to add these numbers together. 18 plus 22, right? Here we can write tens and here we can write ones. 8 plus 2 is how much? 10. 0, 1 will go carry. 2 and 2 is 4. So here answer is 40. This means this one. So we will take on this option. Now, which two digits can be combined for easier addition in 4 plus 2 plus 6? अगर हमें बहुत जल्दी से एडिशन करना है इन तीनों डिजिट्स का, तो हम सबसे पहले कौन से दो डिजिट्स को ऐड करेंगे, है ना? ठीक है, तो हम कौन से दो डिजिट्स को ऐड करेंगे? हम उन दो डिजिट्स को ऐड करेंगे जिनका सम जो है 10 हो, तो यानी कि 6 प्लस 4, है ना? 6 और 4 10 होते हैं, 10 प्लस 2 12. इट मीन्स डी इज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, राइट? Now here come on third question of this point. 22 plus 33 plus 27 gives the digit dash in the tens place. ठीक है, इन तीनों को ऐड करने के बाद we have to find out that which number is coming on tens place, right? 9 will come, 7, 8 or 6. For that we need to add these numbers. So 22 plus 33 plus 27. 7 and 3 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So 2, 1 will go carry. Now 3 and 3, 6, 7, 8. So ones and tens, so this is ones place value and this is tens. So on tens, this is ones and this is tens. These all are ones place values and these all are tens place value. What is the answer? Answer is 82. So it means 8 is on tens value. It means C will be the correct answer. Clear? Now we will do match the following. See children, this is your question number B, match the following. Here is your column A and here is your column B, right? Now we have to solve these and we have to match with the correct answers. So let's begin. 50 plus 30, it means 5 tens and 3 tens. It means 5 plus 3 is how much? 8. So it means 8 tens. Here is the answer, 8 tens. So we will match it with 8 tens, right? Now 20 plus 21 plus 35 is how much? So if you can see here also 35 plus 21 plus 20. So these both numbers are same but they are in different order. So the answer of this is this, right? So we will match it. Correct? Now add these numbers. 7, 8 plus 2 is how much? 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. Here is the 17. So we will quickly match it. Okay. Now 95. So can you see 95? No. But if you split 95, or you can say if you add these all numbers together, see, in rough work, if we are doing it, right, if we add 48 plus 10 plus 37, what do I get? See, 8 plus 7, 15, 5, 1 will go carry, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 95 will be the answer. So 95 answer is this, right? Now 29 plus 1, 30. So 30 is the answer of this question. Okay. Now let's do question number 3. See children, this is our question number 1. We have to add these numbers. 9 plus 5 is how much? 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, है ना? हम ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं ना, क्योंकि 9 तो लिखा ही हुआ है. We can make only 5 lines and we can start counting forward from 9, right? After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 4 will come here and 1 will go carry. So here 6 will be the answer. 64 will be the answer. Now here 6 plus 6. Everyone knows 6 plus 6 is 12. And 12 plus 6 is 18. 8. 1 will go carry. And there is no other number. So we will write here 1. And answer is 18. Now here, this is a very simple question. 7 and 7 is 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. It means 7 plus 7 is 14, right? So we can write here 4 and 1 will go carry. Now 3 and 1 4, 4 and 3 7, 7 and 1 8. 84 will be the answer. Now this is the last question of C part. 9 plus 7 is how much? So after 9 I will draw lines, 7 lines. Now after 9 I will start counting, है ना? 9 के आगे से हम counting बोलना शुरू करेंगे. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 का 6, 1 will carry over. Yes, 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6. So 66 will be the answer. Now next question is our fill in the blanks. See children, 33 plus 37 is, we have to add these numbers. 3 plus 7 is 10. So 0, 1 will go carry. 3 plus 3 6 and 1 7. 70. So 70 will remains the answer. Now we have to add 4 tens and 7 tens. So we can write 70 and 40, right? Now we have to add it. Now if we add these two, what will I get? 0 0 0. 7 and 4 is 11. So 1 will come here and 1 will go carry over to 100. So 110. So it means that 100 and 1 tenths will be the answer. Correct? Now the sum of 23 and 37 is, so we can simply add it. 23 and 37. So we can add it and we can get the answer. 7 and 3 is 10. 0, 1 will go carry over. 3 plus 3 is 6. 60 will be the answer. So here we will write 60. Now there is a brainstorming question, a little bit brainstorming question. See, dash is added to a number to get the next number. जब भी हमें किसी नंबर का आगे वाला नंबर पता करना होता है, नेक्स्ट नंबर जानना है, तो हम उसमें कौन सा नंबर ऐड करते हैं? सपोज दैट अगर मुझे 2 के आगे क्या आता है वो पता करना है, तो 2 में मैं क्या ऐड करूँगी? ऑब्वियसली आई विल ऐड 1 and I will get the next number. Yes, so here 1 will come. 1 is added to a number to get the next number. Okay children, now let's do the next question. See children, the number name for the sum of 20 and 36 is 56. For this we need to add 20 plus 36, 6 and 5. So the answer is 56. So here it is correct, right? True. 15 plus 0 plus 1 is equals to 15. No, 15 plus 1 is 16. So it is false. Okay. Now, when 0 is added to a number, the answer is 1 more than the given number. जब भी हम किसी नंबर में ज़ीरो को ऐड करते हैं तो हमारा जो आंसर होता है वो आंसर एक नंबर ज़्यादा आता है उस नंबर से. कैसे आएगा? अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ कि बेटा 5 में हमको ऐड करना है 0, तो क्या इसका आंसर 6 आएगा? नो. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज false. Okay. Now children, in your textbook there are 2 problem sums. Okay. So I am just telling you the problem sums. I am explaining you the problem sums. Okay. So understand it very carefully so that you will do it properly, and you have to do these problem sums in your notebook, and rest all the questions A, B, C, D, E you have to do only in your textbook. आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर A, B, C, D, E ये 5 क्वेश्चंस अपनी बुक में करने हैं और सिर्फ ये 2 क्वेश्चंस अपनी नोटबुक में करने हैं. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो लेट्स डू. So children, here is your question that what is the sum? Sum means addition, total of the smallest 2-digit number and the greatest 2-digit number. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले we will write, first of all we will write smallest 2-digit number. So how do we know that which is the smallest 2-digit number? सबसे छोटा 2-digit number कौन सा है ये हमें पहले समझना पड़ेगा. हमें सबसे पहले ये चीज़ जाननी होगी, हमें पता लगाना होगा कि सबसे छोटा 2-digit नंबर एंड द ग्रेटेस्ट 2-digit नंबर कौन से होते हैं. ठीक है, तो children, you all know that from 0 to 9 there are only 10 digits, right? If we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, only 10 digits are there in maths through which we can make any number, right? सो सबसे छोटा नंबर कैसे होता है? अब अगर हम देखें तो यहाँ सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? 0. लेकिन अगर मैं यहाँ पे 2 times if I will write 0, तो does it make any sense? ये कोई नंबर बनेगा? No, it will not make any value. कोई वैल्यू बनाएगा? नहीं बनाएगा. सो उससे थोड़ा सा बड़ा नंबर क्या है? 1. तो हम पहले एक 1 लगाते हैं और उसके बाद एक 0 लगाते हैं. ये हो गया हमारा स्मॉलेस्ट 2-digit नंबर. नाउ इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट ग्रेटेस्ट 2-digit नंबर, सो ग्रेटेस्ट डिजिट सबसे बड़ा इन सब में है 9. सो 9 को वी विल राइट 2 times एंड इन दिस वे वी कैन मेक ग्रेटेस्ट 2-digit नंबर. समझ में आया सबको? सबसे छोटा नंबर हमारा वैसे तो 0 है, लेकिन 0 अगर हम लिखते हैं अकेले तो उसका कोई वैल्यू नहीं होता है. होता है उसका कोई वैल्यू? नहीं, जब तक उसके साथ कोई नंबर ऐड ना हो. इसीलिए हम उसको 1 के साथ लगाते हैं. देन इट विल मेक द स्मॉलेस्ट 2-digit नंबर. अगर मैं आपसे बोलूँ दैट चिल्ड्रन प्लीज़ राइट स्मॉलेस्ट 3-digit नंबर, तो आप कैसे लिखोगे? यू विल राइट 1 time 1 and 2 times 0. इट विल मेक 3-digit number, smallest one. Okay, so like this you can make smallest and greatest numbers, right? So here we will write 10 and here we will write 99. Now we have to find out the sum. So for sum we need to add it. See children, now to find out the sum of both the numbers we have to add, and then we will write in this manner and we will add these numbers, right? 9 and 0 is 9 and 9 and 1 is 10. So 109 will be the answer of both the numbers. Like this you can solve the next question also. Okay. The question is, Karuna scored 30 marks, Sheena scored 35 marks and Tina scored 29 marks. What is the total marks scored by all of them? ठीक है, क्लास में मैथ्स का टेस्ट हुआ है. इन मैथ्स टेस्ट करुणा जो है एक बच्ची, एक गर्ल, उसके आए हैं 30 मार्क्स, शीना के आए हैं 35 मार्क्स एंड टीना हैज़ गॉट 29 मार्क्स. ठीक है, आपको इन सब के मार्क्स को ऐड करना है एंड देन यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द आंसर. Okay children, so I hope that this question you can do on your own. I will connect the answer of this in the PDF. You can check your answer from PDF. But children, don't forget that you have to do question A, B, C, D, E in your book and these 2 questions in your notebook. Okay children, take care. God bless you all.